Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a good one, a really good one. So basically, Maddie Bernard, I don't know if you know who she is. If you don't, you need to know, but go ahead and check her out on Instagram. I will link all of her stuff down below for you, but she did a giveaway on Instagram and I entered that giveaway and I won. So I have my little giveaway package over here, and I thought that it would be a really fun video idea to unbox my giveaway on camera and then use the stuff that she gave me. That way, like, I don't know if she'll watch this, but if she did, she could like see how her subscriber like used the stuff that she sent, you know? I thought that that would be kind of cool and fun. Because if I did a giveaway, I think it would be super cool to watch the person use it, you know? So that's what I'm gonna do today. So first of all, I just wanna say thank you to Maddie Bernard and also thank you to Gretzie. She is the owner of G-Class Lashes. That was all part of the giveaway as well. I was like super excited about Maddie's collab with them, but I just couldn't find it in me to spend money on the lashes. I can't really afford that kind of stuff right now, you know? So I was like really bummed that I couldn't get a hold on the lashes myself. So I'm seriously just like so thankful that they did this and so thankful that I was picked for the giveaway. I know it was probably random, but I was just super thankful, and it actually happened at like the perfect moment too, because I was sitting here at my desk. I honestly had forgotten that I had even entered a giveaway, and I was legit having like a mental breakdown because I was so stressed out with school. I was sitting here doing my homework and I'm telling you, like, I was on the verge of tears. Like, I was frustrated, okay? And then I got the Instagram notification that I had won her giveaway, and it was like, oh my gosh. So I was super stoked about it, and I'm just so thankful. So once again, thank you to Maddie and Gretzie from G-Class Lashes. And yeah, so I'm just gonna go ahead and unbox this stuff, and then once I remind myself of what is in there, then I'll create a little makeup look based off of that. So I do just have like foundation on, a little bit of bronzer, my eyebrows, and mascara, because I did go to work this morning and I didn't feel like taking everything off and restarting. So because I know there's not like foundation or anything in the giveaway. So I'm gonna stop talking. Gosh, I always just ramble on and on and on, but let's just get right into this. Got my box right here. Let's open it. I've had this in my house for weeks now, and I haven't opened it because I wanted to film this video so bad, and I was way too busy with school. So here I am, and I'm so excited. And like I said, you really need to follow Maddie because she is so talented, she's so beautiful, and she's just such an inspiration. I just really love her, and I've been following her for quite some time now, and I'm obsessed with her. So make sure you give her a follow on Instagram, and also subscribe to her YouTube channel. Okay, let's get in here. So here's the little card with her on it. Oh my gosh. And this is just like the little card for her lash collaboration. She's so beautiful. Oh my gosh, I can't even. But yeah, it just says everything about the lashes on the back here. And yeah, here's their Instagram and YouTube, or I guess it's just Instagram. Instagram and YouTube for Maddie, Instagram for Gretzie. There's that. I don't know if it's gonna focus or not, but like I said, I'll leave it all down below, but here it is just in case. And let's just start out right here. So, looks like we have a couple face masks. We have the Pure Lease Watermelon Energizing Sheet Mask. Who doesn't love a good sheet mask? So there's that. And then we have two Neutrogena masks. This is the Radiance Boost Brightening Hydrogel Mask, which has vitamin B3 in it, and then the Neutrogena Deep Clean Purifying hydrogel mask with seaweed extract. Can't wait to use these. We love skincare. Next thing I see is the Eloise Kabuki Bullet Slant Brush. Ooh. I didn't know that this giveaway came with a brush. Ooh. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. So here's the packaging for it. Oh my gosh, I wasn't expecting this. This is so cute. Look at this brush. Oh my gosh, it's like a short little stub. Oh my Lord. Oh, that's so soft. I just want to like put it all over my face. That is so soft. Oh my God, that's so freaking cute. Look, it has its own little like coffin in there, like the little cushion. Oh my gosh. So foundation, concealer, bronzer, finishing powder, special effect finishes. We can never have too many brushes. I am so excited about that. Ooh, another mask, another watermelon one. Then I see the Pure Lease. I think that's how you say it. I'm not 100% positive. This is the coconut oil and coffee sugar body scrub. Could use that for sure. Let's see how it smells. I can't smell it. Oh yeah, definitely smells like coffee, and your girl loves coffee. Next thing I see are these right here. Ooh, this is ColourPop. I love ColourPop. Oh my God, I'm so excited. These are the Supernova Shadows, and this is the Kathleen Lights collaboration. Oh my God. I wasn't expecting this. I've heard about these cream eyeshadows and heard that they're really good. Oh my God, I'm so excited. So we have one in the shade Constellation, and this one is in the shade Astrology. It's like a greeny gold color. Next thing I see is the Eloise Get Lit Metallic Foiled Liquid Eyeshadow. Ooh, look at that packaging. That's beautiful. I don't know what I'm gonna use in this little makeup look. I want to use everything. Oh my God, that's so cute. Ooh, another mask. This is the Nug Tea Tree and Sea Silt Peel Off Face Mask. And then I have, oh, these are lip mousses. I thought that these were gonna be blushes in the picture, so that's kind of cool. So these are the Urban Decay Lo-Fi Lip Mousses, but I got the color Boom, just like a dark plum, the shade Halo, which is this like baby pink color, and Fade, which is like this mauve, kind of. I don't know, it's like a brownish nude, like a dark nude. I don't know. It's not mauve. Mauve. And then the last thing in here is, this says Urban Decay Vice on it. Oh, there's 10? Oh my gosh, this has 10 lipsticks in it. So these are the Vice lipsticks by Urban Decay. She gave me a pack of 10. Oh my God. That's so nice. Got the shade Disturbed, Shame, Hex, Venom, Firebird, After Dark, Blackmail, Pandemonium, Vanity Kills, and Jilted. And there's all different finishes. There's Comfort Matte, Cream, Mega Matte. Yeah, I think that's it. And then in the package from gpmakeup, we have the Maddie Style lashes. So just open this baby up. Oh yay! It came with a lash curler, which I need a new lash curler, let me tell you. Oh yes, it came with a little lash applicator, which I've been looking into getting for such a long time now. But like I said, I'm trying not to buy things that I don't absolutely need. And then it came with 2 lashes. There's the packaging for it. And here are the lashes. So pretty. So yeah, that's everything that came in my giveaway. I'm so excited. Okay, so let's go ahead and do this. So now that I can remember everything that's in the giveaway. I'm gonna go ahead and do a little bit more stuff to my face, some like contour, blush, all that good stuff, and then I'm gonna hop back on and we'll do the rest of the good stuff, okay? So, BRB. Hi, I'm back. So, I fixed up my face a little bit. Yeah. So here I am, and I'm going to start using my giveaway stuff. Woo woo. I think I decided for eyeshadow, I'm gonna use this one by ColourPop because it kind of like matches my earrings, like the whole rose gold thing. So this is in the shade Constellation. But first, I'm gonna put a little bit of shadow in like my crease area. I'm gonna take the ColourPop shade. I'm nervous. I don't really know like how these work necessarily. So I think I'm gonna try to do like a cut crease with this. I might have to go in with a brush, but let's just try this with just the applicator. Oh, it's kind of like it's almost like a topper. So I think I might just kind of messily put this on the inner 2/3 of my eye. This is a really cool formula. I think I might just kind of leave it like that and then put like a couple other shadows in there. But yeah, this is cool. It's like it's almost like a cream topper. Just kind of deepen it up. Just like that. Now, for the best part of this entire video, we're gonna try on the Madi lashes. And I'm gonna use my cool little applicator. Not gonna use the lash curler because I already had mascara on and I don't feel like ripping my eyelashes out today. So I'll use this little thing. I've never used one of these before. So yeah, I'm gonna trim a little off the edges. Let's go ahead and do this. Watch this entire video be out of focus or something, I would cry. Okay, let's try this. Ooh, that touch of my brow. They're like very long, not what I'm used to, but I love them. Let me put the other one on and then I'll be back because that took me like 1.5 years. And I really don't want you to be here twice that long watching me put on eyelashes. So, BRB. All right, so I'm back with the lashes on. They are super like wispy and fluttery and they're dramatic, but like because they're so wispy, it's not like you can still see your eyeshadow through them, you know what I mean? So I freaking love them. I hope that they do a re-release because they're beautiful, they really are. So anyways, that is the lashes. And now all I gotta do is finish off with the lipstick. And you know, I was gonna try on a few things, but My lips are already really dry because it's getting cold outside. So I think I'm just gonna go ahead and pick the one I want to use and roll with it. And I'm gonna go with the Urban Decay, just regular lipsticks, not the little mousses. But I just gotta figure out what would go good with this outfit, this look. I was gonna say like a dark red or like a dark purple-ish, like a fall color, you know? So I think this one might look nice. I don't think I'm gonna go purpley. I think I'm gonna stick with like a more red shade. And then there's also this shade right here, Hex, that I think would go nice. But I normally do colors like that. So you know what? I think I'm gonna go for Shane. I love that little thing of lipsticks. It's so cute. So yeah, I'm gonna go with Shane. This is a cream lipstick. Oh yeah, that's a dark red right there. Definitely gonna need some lip liner for this. I have a really bad feeling that I'm gonna finish this video and I'm gonna go out there and my dog tore something up. He gets separation anxiety even when I'm in the house, just in a different room. So yeah, I said this is in the shade Shane, and it's a cream lipstick. I haven't worn a cream lipstick in a while. Oh, hey, that matches perfectly. It's like a little bit darker than the lip liner, but like, now I'm going to, because it looks a little cray at the momento, I'm gonna take this little tiny lip brush and just, you know, and clean up this line. There we are. I think that'll just have to do. I'm feeling it. Wow, I haven't worn like a cream lipstick like this in so long. This is crazy. So anyways, here's the look. Loved everything. So yeah, here we go. Very holiday-ish, so perfect timing, right? Even though it took like 3 weeks to film it, but I needed to open it on camera, okay? Anyways, that's gonna be the end of this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up for me. Make sure you hit the subscribe button down below. Also, make sure you follow both Maddie and G-Class Lashes. It's actually gpmakeup on Instagram. Follow them there. Also follow or subscribe to Maddie on YouTube. Like I said, I'm gonna leave everything down in the description bar. Once again, I just wanna say thank you so much to both Maddie and Gretzie. I am seriously so appreciative. Like I told you before, I almost cried. It legit made my day, my whole week, my whole month. I'm just super excited about it and I'm really happy with everything. So thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you so much from one of your loving followers and subscribers. And yeah, that's gonna be the end of this and I will see you in my next video. Bye.